if cot theta is equal to 12 by 5, where pi less theta less 3 pi by 2, then find sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Here cot theta is given and its value 12 by 5 and theta's range is given, theta lying between pi and 3 pi by 2. We have to find out the values of other t ratios. So first write cot theta is equal to 12 by 5. Pi less theta less 3 pi by 2. Obviously theta greater than pi means greater than 180 degree and 3 pi by 2 means less than 270 degree. So theta lying in the third quadrant. If you draw a picture, name it O, x-axis, y-axis. Now let a line revolving from here and end here makes angle, this angle theta. Take any point on the revolving line P. From P draw perpendicular on x-axis. Name it PM. So PM perpendicular on x-axis and from the triangle OPM, OM is the base. Obviously OM measured left side, so it is negative. PM it is also negative because it is measured toward downwards. OP always positive. From trigonometry we know that cot theta is equal to base by perpendicular. So let PMO, this is right angle. Therefore now triangle OMP, right angle at M, or where OMP right angle, OMP is equal to 90 degree. So PM perpendicular OM base and OP is equal to hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. As per definition of T ratios, cot theta that is equal to base by hypotenuse. Not base by hypotenuse, base by perpendicular. So in this case here base OM is negative by perpendicular PM is also negative. Negative is cancelled out. OM by PM. Let name it 1 and name it 2. So from 1 and 2, 1 and 2, OM by PM, that is equal to 12 by 5. To find the values of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta and others, we need to find OP. To find OP, let OM and PM, here see left hand side A ratio, right hand side A ratio. Therefore, let OM is equal to 12K. Whenever two ratios are equal, then to get exact value, we have to multiply by a constant. So, OM is equal to 12K and PM is equal to 5K. From these two given conditions, that is given values, and from the given formula of geometry of a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Therefore, from triangle right angle triangle OMP, right angled at M, OP square is equal to OM square plus PM square, or OP square is equal to OM square, means put the values. OM means 12K, that of square, plus 5K, that of square, or OP is equal to 144K square plus 25K square. Here consider positive signs. OP actually plus minus, but taken only positive sign, as OP is positive, as OP is taken as always positive. So OP is equal to 144 plus 25, 169, so 13K. Now from the triangle OPM, we have got perpendicular base and hypotenuse. Draw again the picture. O P M. PM is perpendicular. OM is how much? PM's value 5K, that should be negative. OM's value 12K, that is also negative. This is right angle. OP is always positive 13K, and this angle theta. Now sin theta is equal to, now it is drawn another triangle. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse minus 5k by 13k, or sin theta is equal to 5 by minus 5 by 13. As cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta, so cosec theta minus 13 by 5. Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse minus 12k by 13k, or cos theta is equal to 12 by 13. As sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, so sec theta is equal to, writing here again, cos theta, so sec theta, that is equal to, here mistaken minus sign should be there, minus 13 by 12. Tan theta reciprocal of cot theta, already value given, so tan theta is equal to 5 by 12. So we have got all the values: sin theta, cos theta, cosec theta, sec theta and tan theta. If you have any doubt, please make comments. If you are benefited, share your friends. Thank you.